So a lot of this, a lot of I forget who just asked that question, but the question about whether we're at the beginning or in the middle or kind of at a late stage of companies adopting cloud, but it really is something that is related to the current thinking, the current kind of outlook of technology, right? As things change over time, we talk about the zeitgeist, the spirit of time. As things happen over time, the markets have to adopt, people have to adopt and adapt to it. And so, when we think about electric vehicles, for example, right? Before Tesla, there was hybrids, and then after Tesla, again, it was a huge shift. But people started adopting electric cars more and more. You've got more companies now that are generating or creating electric-only cars. It doesn't mean that everybody has yet to adopt or buy an electric car, right? But a lot of people have. A lot of people are, like with the cloud, they've got these hybrid cars, half gas, half electric, or partially gas, partially electric. But as technology evolves, the market evolves also. And it's the same thing with cloud computing, that the market is evolving. And you had the early adopters of cloud, and some of the early kind of implementations of cloud maybe weren't so great. So it needed to get to a point where it was usable by the majority of companies and the majority of customers for it to start to be adopted. And AWS launched, like I said, in 2006. We're now 2021, 15 years later. I know they have well over 1 million customers. It's a huge number of customers across all industries. And so this is just something that's going to naturally continue to evolve and get better, the cloud, I mean. And so companies are going to continue to adopt it.